Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we are given here an ammonia gas. So we are asked if it is possible to change the temperature at the same time with the if the volume of the gas doesn't change. So here for the first part, yes, the answer here is yes. It is possible if V equals constant. For the second part, we will use initial pressure divided by initial volume is equals to final pressure divided by final volume. Final temperature. Therefore, solving for final temperature is equals to P2 T1 divided by P1. Our final pressure here is 1/3 of the initial pressure. Initial temperature is 9 plus 273.15 Kelvin divided by the initial pressure. Therefore, final temperature here is equals to 94.05 degrees Celsius minus 94.05 Kelvin minus 273.15 to convert this to Celsius. Therefore, final temperature is equals to negative 179 degrees Celsius. Thank